Hello, here's a quick video on how you can use the SlideRule Analytics Consent Granted feature to see the impact of cookie blockers or cookie consent on your site's tracking. So, of course, if a user denies cookie consent, we don't do any client-side tracking, but we still do send the purchase event. All server-side events are still sent for that user. They're just not associated with that visitor at all, like we discussed in another video, right? So how can you see how many purchases come from people who denied cookie consent? It's very easy. You can create an exploration that looks like this. You're going to import the dimension analytics consent granted here, like that one, and import purchases. And all you have to do is drag them over like this. I put in date here as well. And you can see here that when analytics consent granted is not set, that means that the user did accept cookies or wasn't shown the cookie banner or anything else. It means that they were allowed to be tracked. But when they deny consent, we will send this value as false. And so this is the number you're looking for. In this case, this is just demo data, right? But you can see here, purchases were 1 for analytics consent. There was 1 purchase on 7/31 that was where the analytics consent was not granted. So that's how that works. That's how you can find that.